Hi everybody and welcome to Newman and Reedy. Here we have for sale an absolutely beautiful BMW 630 Gran Turismo, finished in bluestone with black leather and blue stitching. It is a stunning ex-BMW launch vehicle plus one private local owner. Being a launch vehicle, it actually has £10,500 worth of extras fitted to it, so it's a stunning specification to include things like gesture control, self-parking, pan roof, Harman Kardon speakers, you name it, it's got it. It's absolutely immaculate inside and out. 3-litre diesel, still remarkably economical, and of course a very powerful and fast luxurious wagon with lots and lots of room inside for the family. Fold those seats down and it's as big as an estate. Unmarked, beautiful diamond cut alloy wheels. Truly beautiful car. I'm going to show you the inside now, which is a nice place to be. Sat nav, reversing cameras, everything that you need to see. Here we've got the lovely blue stitching on the leather, gives it a nice highlight. Automatic, sport, comfort, eco, multi-function steering wheel. Lovely big display. Beautiful car. Let me show you the back. Loads of room in here. Isofix, so if you need to fit kiddie seats, that's nice and easy. Loads of room. Pan roof, as mentioned before. And of course the seats fold down as well to give you even more room. Cavernous boot. Easy drop seats. Look at that. Be good for the tip run on a Sunday. Give us a call if you want to come and view this vehicle. You will not be disappointed. It is beautiful. I'll just pan out so you can get the full effect. That is one smart looking car. Give us a ring. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.